Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Olayemi J. Adewale. I am here to take sequence and series for Senior Secondary School 1. And our subtopic today is meaning and types of sequence and series. And then we get one out of the type and explain the term and end time, the sum if time permit us today. All right. And I want to believe for us to get the full concept of this, we need to listen carefully. Okay? The meaning of sequence, we need to get the definition. When numbers are generated in accordance with a definite pattern, the set of the number form is called sequence. It's called sequence. And these are the examples. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 7 to 14 to 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 32, 21, 10, minus 1, minus 12, minus 23, minus 34, minus 45, minus 56, minus 67, minus 78. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We have 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. If we share from 1 to 2 to 3, all this one, for example, A, we discover that they have a common difference. Between first and second is 1, second and third is 1, and therefore it's a sequence. That's why they said it's a sequence because it follows a definite pattern. If you check this one, 7 to 14 to 21 to 28, between first and second one, the difference is 7. When you check through to this last number, 77, the difference between second and third and fifth is 7, 7. It shows that it follows a definite pattern. If you check 32 to 21 to 10, there is a difference of minus 11, minus 11. All through to minus 78 is minus 11. All right. If you check between 2 to 4 to 6, all through to 22, you see that the difference between them is 2, 2, 2. If you check 5 to 10 to 25 to the last number I have here, which is 55, the difference also is 5. In between them, there is addition of 5, 5, 5. Okay, let's quickly move down to the series. Now, when the numbers of the sequence are added together, it's called series. Show that you have a sequence before. The moment you put a sign like the sign like this, addition, in between them is now called series. Like example I have here, 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35 plus, and it continues, 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus, and it continues, s plus 3s plus 7s plus 10s plus 13s plus, and it continues. It's telling us that this is one is called series because the relationship between them all is addition. Is that taken? Okay, let's move down to types of sequence. Majorly, we have two types. We have arithmetic progression and geometry progression. Let's go to definition. Now, arithmetic progression, it shows that when a sequence is generated by adding or subtracting a constant number, the sequence is called arithmetic progression, and it's sometimes called a linear sequence. Okay. Why? The geometric progression means when a sequence is generated by multiplying or dividing a preceding term by a constant number, which we call common ratio, to get a term is called geometric progression, and it's sometimes called exponential sequence. Geometric progression is sometimes called exponential sequence. Why? Arithmetic progression is sometimes called linear sequence. Is that taken? Okay. Now let's check how we can use the arithmetic progression and end time. The arithmetic progression and end time Now from the examples given above, I pick this one up, 7 to 14 to 21 to 28, all to the level of n. This n shows that the number of times that I don't know, because this one, it continues. Therefore, the 7 now will refer to as T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. All this my n now will be Tn, the time of the number of time that I don't know. Therefore, this Tn is a formula that you can use to find any number of time once there are some required information given to you. Okay, all right. From that place now, from this representation, I have all this: first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, to this the seventh time, and this last one I call it end time, and also call last time. And let's look at the formula of the end time. The formula of the end time. Now the formula says, see, it follow a definite pattern. You must say get a formula, so that irrespective of the information given to you, you can find any number. Once you have your first time and you have a common difference, you can find number. Now the formula says Tn equals to A plus n minus 1, close the bracket, common difference, where T1 is our first time and n is a number of times and this is a common difference. And this n time can be used to find any time of AP, and once the first time and common difference are known. Now, but there's something called general pattern, that sometimes when you are familiar with it, you might not need to write the formula. Since you have general pattern, I said T1 is A, then T2 will be A plus D, T3 will be A plus 3D, all to the last term that we said it is Tn equals to A plus into bracket n minus 1, close the bracket D. And if you use this formula and the number of the time given to you here, you will get any of this one. Is that taken? All right. And let's move further to example so that we can get it clearly now. Okay. Now example 1. Given the sequence of 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, ... find A, common difference, B, 10th time, C, 22nd time, D, the difference between 10th and the 8th time. All right, 8 times. Now solution. Now common difference. How do we get our common difference? No, we said in our definition that in a linear sequence or arithmetic progression, they must have a common difference. That is, between first time and second time, the difference must be equal to when you have third time and fourth time, it must even equals to the last time and second to the last. Is that taken? Therefore, for us to get it now, you take the second time, which is T2 minus T1, and if you do that one, our T1 is 8, our T2 is 8, our T1 is 5. When you deduct it, we have our D to be 3. 5 minus 8 minus 5 is 3. That's what we have here. Now the second question, find the 10th time. Now we have known our first time and common difference. For us to find the 10th time, it will be so easy and simple. Write out your formula, which is Tn equals to A plus into bracket n minus 1D. Our n now is 10, our A is 3, our common difference, our A is 5, and our common difference is 3. Now substitute all these values into this equation, then we get 5 plus 10 minus 1 into 3, and that is 10 minus 1 will give us now 9 times 3 give us 27, plus 5 will give us 32. That is 10th time. Now the next one, they say we should find the 22nd time, which is T22. It means that our n in that place is 22. Put all the value into this equation, you will get 5 plus 22 minus 1 into D. That's 21 times 3, 63 plus 5. That will give us 68 rather. Is that taken? Now the last one says you should find the sum of the difference between the 10th and the 8th times. And mind you, we've gotten our 10th time here, which is our 10th time, which is 32. The only thing we need to do now is to find the 8th term, and our 8th term with the formula we're going to give us T8, which is A equals to 5 plus into bracket 8 minus 1 into d. And if you work it well, you get 26. And we cannot stop here because they didn't ask us to just find the 8 time. They said the difference between them. Therefore, we have T10 minus TA, which is 32 minus 26, and that one is giving us 6. That is the difference between 10th and 8th time, which is 6. That's our final answer. Is that taken? Alright. I want to believe that it is clear. Now I want to know whether it's clear or not. Therefore, we are going to do this classwork. Now, given the sequence of minus 10, minus 8 minus 6 minus 4, find common difference, the 5th time, the 12th time. And second question says the first 3 terms of an AP are s, 3s plus 1 and 7n minus 4. Find the value of x, the 10th time and 28th time. That is our classwork. Make sure you do it. I want to believe you enjoy the class. See you next time. Thank you.